Hi, in this video I'm going to turn a simple magnetic closure box into a beautiful box using decoupage art. I recently shared a haul video and I tried attempting to use those products in this video and create this beautiful box. So let's begin. So this is the box, which is pretty old. First step is covering the entire box with gesso. Gesso is basically a primer, and I'm using sponge to apply the product on the box. Find the list of the products I used in this video in the description box. So this is after applying the gesso. Next, I'm taking chalk paint in the shade Mysteria Mist and Wild Wasabi. I'm just painting the lid area with Mysteria Mist and the bottom part of the box with Wild Wasabi. Since these colors go good with the decoupage napkin I have, so I chose these two shades for my decoupage art. So this is how it looks like after drying. Next, take Crackle medium. Apply the Crackle medium on the box like so and spread it evenly using brush. Before the Crackle medium dries up, I will top up with white chalk paint. I used Crackle medium to get crackling effect. If you don't want to give your decoupage artwork some crackling effect, then you can totally skip this step. You can either air dry it, or if you want to speed up the process, you can use a heating tool. Next, you will need this Podge and Decoupage napkin. Cut a small portion from this and remove the backing. This particular napkin had two backing, so remove it. Next step is to tear the images on the napkin. For that, use a little bit of water on a very thin brush and just go around the image like so and roughly cut the image. Be really careful as the napkin is very delicate and you might accidentally cut off the image itself. And after that is done, use this Mod Podge glue to stick the images on the box. Now, after sticking it, use another dry brush. Do not use the wet brush, use a dry brush and press the napkin gently on the box or on the surface. And this is how it should look like. Now go ahead and cover the box wherever you feel like the image fits. just stick it. After you are done sticking all the images on the box, give a coat of Mod Podge to the entire box so that the napkin doesn't come off later. And this is how the box looks like after a coat of Mod Podge. You can stop it here, but I am going to embellish the box little more. First thing, I'm going to use this earring stud. If you have a charm, you can also use a charm. Make a hole where the box closes. And I will use this ring to attach the charm. Next, I'm going to give a little bit of layering to the box. For that, I've taken stencil and some texture paste. And I'm going randomly with the texture paste like so. After the texture paste dries, use a metallic wax to highlight those texture and layering, and also go around the edges of the box. If you don't have these metallic wax, you can also use metallic paints. Coming to the final step, I'm using this golden paint marker to highlight the rose. And this is how the box looks like. I tried making it look a little bit vintagey as well as beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also check out my other videos on DIYs and junk journaling. Bye.